Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up time tracking for employees. Now, if you want to track your team hours, breaks, and paid time off without chasing spreadsheets or sticky notes, Gusto's inbuilt time tracking is here to help. Step 1. Log into your Gusto admin account. Now, once you're in your dashboard, head over to the left-hand menu and click on Time Tools. From there, you want to select Time Tracking. Step 2. Enable time tracking. Now, if you haven't already enabled time tracking, Gusto will prompt you to turn it on. So just click Get Started or Enable Time Tracking, and the system will walk you through a few setup prompts. Step 3. Choose who can track time. Now, you can enable time tracking for all employees or just for certain roles or departments. Go ahead and select the employees or groups that you want to include, and then save your selection. Step 4. Set time tracking preferences. Now, Gusto lets you choose how detailed your tracking should be. You can include clock-ins and clock-out times, breaks and lunch periods, project tags, or job codes if applicable. And select your preferences and then click Save and Continue. Step 5. Review and confirm setup. Now, double check your settings on the summary page. If everything looks good, hit Finish Setup. Employees who've enabled will now see time tracking options in their dashboard. Step 6. Notify your team. Now, it's a good idea to give your team a heads up, let them know that time tracking is live, and show them where to log their hours on their Gusto profile. That's it. Your team time tracking is now active in Gusto. Up next, we'll cover how employee can log their hours so you can keep payroll accurate and painless. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked the information here. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.